A baby car seat or an infant safety seat is a safety seat that is designed specifically to protect children from any type of injury or unfortunate death from car accidents. A baby car seat is the safest and the easiest way to move your baby. Usually, safety car seats are installed by car owners. Why car seat is so important? Because of using car seats, 325 children under 5 years old were safe. CDC says motor vehicles car accidents are the primary causes of child injury or death. What to consider before purchasing a car seat? Comfortable for long trips? Easy installation, suitable for taller kids. Adjust the harness to the correct height. The shoulder strap should be at the same level as your child's shoulders. Step 1. Lock the buckle. Step 2. Tighten the harness around your child's leg and hips and pull the harness tight. Step 3. Is the harness tight enough? Step 4. Pull the harness again to ensure a tight fit. Ensure the seat is locked into position. Seat can be rotated in any reclined position. Ensure the seat is locked into position. The price. Top 5 best baby car seats. Chicco KeyFit 30 infant car seat. Best overall infant car seat. It is considered as the best car seat for infants and more lightweight car seat option. Graco Extend 2 Feet Convertible Car Seat. The best rear-facing convertible car seat. Graco SnugRide SnugLock 35 XT. This is the best affordable infant car seat. Graco Affix Highback Booster Seat with Latch System. Best booster car seat. Britax Be Safe 35 infant car seat. Best compact car seat.